In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can flip your images in Canva in the free edition. So let's first create a custom size project. And then in this new design, I'm going to add a picture or an element, for example, this cat here. And now with this picture selected, as you can see here on top, we have the flip option. And if we click flip, we can choose to flip horizontal or flip vertical. Horizontal flips horizontal and vertical flips vertical. You can click it again to restore your image, but that is a really quick way to flip your images or even videos in Canva. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.